Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the mecanovalve, the one that you see right here. This one was not letting the machine function properly and it was just, the water was just going through the tray and stuff. So we replaced this one and now the machine is working perfectly fine. So starting with just hot water, we're going to test it out. And as you can see, nice steady stream of hot water coming out of the machine. Now we're gonna do some steam as well. As you can see, there's steady steam coming out of the machine. Good temperature and good pressure. Now let's wait for the machine to cool down just a little bit and we're gonna do an espresso shot. Perfect. Nice flow coming out of the machine. Really great color as well and excellent crema. Box intact, no water or anything like that. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.